Ever feel like your backyard is on display for the whole neighborhood? Whether you're tired of nosy neighbors or just want a peaceful retreat, the right privacy fence can make all the difference. But before you start building, here's what you need to know. Wood gives a classic natural look but needs regular maintenance. Vinyl is low maintenance but can cost more upfront. Metal fences? Stylish, but not the best for privacy. Most privacy fences are at least 6 feet tall, but always check local rules before installing. Solid panels offer full privacy, while slatted or lattice designs let in more light and airflow. If you want minimal upkeep, go for vinyl or composite. If you're okay with occasional staining or sealing, wood is a great choice. At the end of the day, the right fence isn't just about blocking views. It's about creating your own private escape. So whether you're building soon or just exploring options, make sure your fence works for your space and lifestyle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Can Fence tips.